So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to draft announcements in Slack. First, open Claude AI in your web browser. When you need to send an important announcement to your team, avoid typing out rough draft directly into Slack. Unstructured messages often lead to miscommunication or get completely ignored in busy channels. Instead, start by establishing a clear messaging strategy in Claude. Open a new chat session and provide the core facts of your update. Type an execution prompt like act as an expert corporate internal communications manager. Draft an official team announcement based on these raw notes. The message needs to explain our upcoming software migration timeline. Outline the exact action steps employees must take before Friday. Claude will instantly synthesize your notes into a highly professional, structured message. Review the draft, adjust any specific dates or details, and tell Claude if you want to make the tone warmer or more urgent. Pro tip, Slack formatting is unique and doesn't use standard text rules. To make your announcement look incredibly polished, schemable, and visually engaging, ask Claude to apply native Slack formatting before you copy it. Use a prompt like convert this announcement into a clean Slack markdown format. So that's it. That's how to use Claude to draft announcements in Slack. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.